Remember when I tell y'all, I don't get respiratory infections. But take a look. The pattern before the storm. This is the pattern before the storm. The making of the clouds. You can almost smell it. All down there. These clouds actually down here were way bigger. They were way bigger. But all this is done by stratospheric aerosol injections. And they made it cooler. I don't believe it's supposed to be this cool. But these clouds make it cooler. It's a cooling effect. It is that frigid, right? Like nitrogen. See? Just before the storm, and you can see it yourself. All the cloud seeding here. It was cloud seeding before these clouds actually came. It has that wisp to it. Let's go down and take a look. Move, boy. I see you, buddy. Get it, Nix. Yeah, I can't see them anymore. But you can see the radio effects, the network effects. You can see down there with the breakage in the clouds, the rib looking effect in the clouds. It's like your Wi-Fi looking effect. And then this is a part of cloud seeding. Those little wisps. It was some really good one right here, but I missed it before I came back out. So we need to also make sure we're paying attention to the pattern, because we have to remember that these are chemicals. Chemicals burn. They irritate. This is the reason for the rise of respiratory infections. Typically, these respiratory infections, these burns are going to happen 3 days prior, rain or snow. And in this case with Chicago, we're going to have 3 days of about rain and then possibly snow on the 3rd day. So there's going to be a lot of fucking chemical and shit going on above the big massive clouds that we won't see. So it's good to get the video footage before they cover the entire Chicago area. And all the storms that I have seen happen have come from either off the Mississippi River, basically coming from the west area. And the last big major storm that went to Wisconsin and flooded, it came off the Mississippi River, is where they created the storm. Those pictures I showed on here was considered as AI, but they were actually real pictures. So once we understand the pattern, we can start protecting ourselves the right way. And even our babies get it. Even our babies get it. Okay? They are out here. They're breathing this shit in. This is why dogs are breaking out, having outbreaks. People can't understand why the outbreaks are happening over and over. They don't understand where it's coming from. They're trying all these probiotics, which probiotics was created because of this shit right here. And some of those probiotics that they're giving people are coming from old stockpiles that they used to test on people. Oh, look at that. Caught that one. He's flying low too, that airplane. The probiotics is created because of this shit. Because there's a lot of bacteria that goes into ice nucleation. And then when they create these clouds off the Mississippi River, it's grabbing a lot of bacteria out of that particular water. So, then all of a sudden they start putting probiotics into the food. Makes no fucking sense. If it ain't a natural type of probiotic, then I don't want it. Right, little buddy? Right, little buddy? Handsome. You good boy. All right, y'all. Have a blessed day and enjoy yourself. Protect yourself. This is time. Right now, the 3 days prior is the time to mask yourself up. Do not have your windows open at night. Keep your chest clear. Make sure you take some ginger shots. Keep your nose clear. Make sure you're blowing your nose after you sneeze. After any sneezes, you need to be blowing your nose. And that keeps the sinus infections low. All right? I am not a medical doctor. Okay? I'm just a person that does research and journaling the research as I go along with the experiences that I'm having myself. All right, peace and enjoy.